It's a colored violet. Also, I know she just wanted to film it, but now it's over, so just get with it. But I'll do it again. Hurry, start right now. I gotta film it, but I gotta do somehow. I'm sorry, I know I might have misspoke, but before I used my best previous joke, but it's really alright. Thank you so much for loving me as well. We can see she loves me. Doesn't care. I know. Now I'm gonna just stop and say hello. I think I'm gonna say hello.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.